So have you just sold something on eBay and you want to leave either a positive or a negative review? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it fast and easy on mobile. Alright, so when you first open up the eBay app, you're going to be on the home page. You're going to want to click selling on the bottom right. Now, from selling, go ahead and click sold. That middle number right there, click sold. Go to your sold listings and then find the listing you want to leave a review on. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on this one right here, just a random listing. Now you'll see some information like payment date, the buyer, and a section for you to enter your feedback. You could really write whatever you want. You could write, I don't know, great buyer, write whatever you want. I'm just going to go ahead and write that. Now once you've entered everything you want to say, you'll see a submit button on the top right. Once you submit that, it'll basically be done. You have submitted it. And if you sell on eBay and you do not know what the top rated program is, well, trust me, you are missing out. Go ahead and watch this video where I break down how you can become a top rated seller and the benefits and how much money you save. And not only that, how much more sales that you can get.